Ezamva nje zokujanyiswa kuANC ziza ngemva kwenkulumo ayenze enkandla KZN aphelele ngeze-ANC lapho bekayokusekela khona umengameli walokhu uJacob Zuma. Ibandla eliphetheko le-ANC lithi liyomthathela amagadango ngokumkhalima ngamalanga ama-30. Umkhulumeli we-ANC uPule Mabe ubekhuluma nababika indaba asemzimkhulu we-ANC uNiehaus eJohannesburg.
The African National Congress today, the 7th of July, wrote a letter to Comrade uNiehaus to inform him of its intention to institute disciplinary action against him and to temporarily suspend his membership with immediate effect.
UNiehaus uyozibilayeza.
I will continue to speak in my individual capacity as a South African citizen, as a revolutionary, and I will certainly also continue to speak and work as a member of, in fact, a National Executive Committee member of Umkhonto we Sizwe Military Veterans Association.